western Madison and southwestern Henry counties. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blue Goose, or 11 miles northeast of Jackson, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hickory Flat, Dollar, Atwood, Ledbetter, Fairview, Brewston, Holiday, Medina, Leach, Blue Goose, McKenzie, Tate, Palmer Shelter, Buena Vista, Hollow Rock, Clarksburg, Treasavant, Vale, Natchez Trace State Park, and McLemoresville. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Tennessee,